Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's live session, and today in our science subject we are going to learn more about plants. Okay children, so let us continue. So yesterday we had learnt about the parts of a flower and and also different type of plants. Okay, now we are learning more about plants. So what are plants? Plants are living things. They need air, water, minerals and light to prepare food and grow. What are plants, children? These are all what we have learnt in the beginning. Okay, what are plants? They are living things. And what do they need? They need air, water, minerals and light to prepare food and grow. As we need human beings, as we need food, water and air to live, same like us, even plants need all these to grow. And a plant consists of two main parts. What are they? Root system and shoot system. Yes or no? So plant, like what we see above the ground is shoot system, and what we see under the ground is the root system. So it has main parts. As we discussed that the plant has two main parts which are under the ground. That system is called the root system, and the plant which we see above the ground is known as shoot system. Clear children? So plants are living things and they have two main parts, root system and shoot system. And the part of the plant which remains under the ground is called root, and the part which remains above the ground is called shoot, as I said to you. Okay. Roots fix the plants to the soil. What does these roots do? They fix the plant to the soil. Okay, so these roots are buried inside the soil and it makes the plant to stand above the ground. No, so and the tiny hairs on the root absorb water and minerals from the soil and push it up into the shoot. So what happens? So do you remember the picture of the root, children? Roots, like, yes, it is inside the ground. It has so many hairs, like tiny hairs, very small hairs. Okay, what these hairs do? These hairs are going to absorb the water. They are going to absorb the water and minerals which are in the water, where from the soil. No, normally when we pour water, we'll pour it on the soil, and from the soil the water is going to reach the roots, and the minerals along with the water are going to absorbed by the roots, and again they push it up into the shoot. Push it up in the sense they send it back to the shoot. What is the shoot here? Which we see above the ground on the soil, like with stems, branches and all that. We said that stem is going to supply the water from the roots to the plant. Do you remember this? Yes. So this water is going to be pushed by the roots into the shoot. Stem holds the plant upright on the ground. So what do this stem do? This holds the plant upright on the ground. So upright is nothing but in a straight position. Like it is going to hold, it is going to catch the plant. It is making the plant to stand up straight on the ground. Stem bears branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. What does this stem has? What does this has, children? Stem? It bears in the sense it contains branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay, and stem carries water and minerals from roots to all the other parts of the plant. As I said earlier, like with the help of the stem, the water and minerals are carried from the roots to all the other parts of the body. Okay, water and minerals are carried to the other parts of the body. Clear, children? So plants are like, these are all the revision concepts like what we have learnt until now. So what are they? Plants are living things. They consist of two main parts, root system and shoot system. Okay, and then roots are absorbing water, and they are going to push it to the shoot, and then stems, they hold the plant and make them stand on the ground, and this stem carries water and minerals from the roots and it supplies to all the other parts of the plant. Clear, children? Okay. Now, leaves are also called food factories of the plants because it is the leaves that manufactures the food. So, another important part of the plant, what is it? It is the leaves. It is the leaves. Why leaves are important? Because they are the food factories. They are the food factories. What is a factory? What is a factory? Where something is made. A place where something is made, in the sense manufactured. Manufacturing is nothing but making something. Okay. So here we call them as food factories because these leaves are making food. They make the food for the plants. Yes, with the help of, with the help of sunlight, air, that is carbon dioxide, and water. Okay, and this process is called photosynthesis that we learnt earlier. Okay, so leaves are called as food factories because it is the leaves that manufactures the food. Clear, children? Okay. Now, what about this plant's leaves? Now, until now we learnt the parts of a flower, then types of plants. Now, we are going to learn more about leaves. What are the parts of the leaves, how the leaves are structured in a plant. Okay, children? Part of a plant where food is manufactured is called leaf of the plant. Okay, so many leaves. As you see in the diagram, we are having so many leaves for different type of plants. Okay, and these leaves produce us the food. Okay, it is green in color because of the presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll. We said that most of the leaves are in green in color. Most, like 90% of the leaves of the plants are in green in color. Okay, why this leaves are green in color? Because of the green pigment called chlorophyll. So as we are having a green pigment in the plants, because of that these leaves are in green in color, and this green pigment is called as chlorophyll. What is it called as? Chlorophyll. Yes. And what does this chlorophyll do? Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and with the help of carbon dioxide and water makes food for the plant. What is the main work of the chlorophyll, children? So it is absorbing, chlorophyll is absorbing the sunlight and with the help of the carbon dioxide and water. So chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and takes the help of the carbon dioxide and water, and it makes food for the plant. Okay, this three together, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, three together make food for the plant. And how what makes food? Chlorophyll. With the help of the chlorophyll. Okay, children? Understood? Okay. See, here again, what is photosynthesis? The process by which plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. So we have mentioned this already, that plants make food through the process of photosynthesis. How do it make? So here green plants are autotrophs. They make their own food in the presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Green plants have a pigment called chlorophyll that helps them to make food. So as we said, green plants are autotrophs. Auto in the sense nothing but self. Auto in the sense self. So they make their own food. Okay, and they make their food in the presence of carbon dioxide, that is the air, the gas in the air which we cannot see. Yes or no, children? The gas, carbon dioxide is a gas form in the air, and water and sunlight. So that is why we say that plants need sunlight and water. Plants, they need sunlight and water. So without this, plants cannot survive. Why? Because they will not be able to make food. They need three, that is gas which we cannot see, and water and sunlight. So water by rainwater, and also for some house plants or some plants, we ourselves provide water, okay, and sunlight. The nature provides the sunlight. So with these three, then the photosynthesis process is going on. And who is making food here? A pigment which is called as chlorophyll. A pigment which is called as a chlorophyll. This part is going to help the plants to make the food. So as you see in the diagram, see it is here. So leaf where the photosynthesis process is going on. Okay, it is receiving sunlight, it is receiving carbon dioxide, even water, roots are absorbing water, and here the chlorophyll is seen on the leaves. Are you able to see, children, this part with small holes on the leaf, green leaf, in the circular diagram here? So this part is chlorophyll. So this chlorophyll is helping the plant to make the food. Okay, and here oxygen is released and glucose is formed. The plant is taking the carbon dioxide. The plant is taking the carbon dioxide which is present in our air, and it is releasing the oxygen. Okay, children? Yeah. So here carbon dioxide plus water again plus okay. Yes, children. So photosynthesis, is it clear to you? Yes. Now we'll just learn about the type of leaves. So as we have types of flowers, types of plants, even we have some different type of leaves also. So what are they? Here leaves are the food making factories of green plants. Yes, obviously they make food. As we said, leaves make food. Leaves can be simple or compound. Leaves can be simple or compound. Normally simple is it's very easy. No, compound in the sense so many, so much. Okay, if you call it, this is single. Simple here is single, compound here is so many. So leaves can be simple or compound. They vary among plants and can be of different shapes, sizes and colors. They are vary. What is this vary in the sense? Differ. They differ among plants and can be of different shapes, sizes and colors. As you have observed, children, so every plant has got a different type of leaf. And even the color also, it differs in the sense, even though it is of green only, even you can find so many shades of green, light green, dark green, yellowish green, parrot green. No. And some greens are some leaves are in different colors like red, yellow, for some ornamental plants. Okay, so these plants also, they have different colors of leaves. Okay, and different types and sizes of leaves. Leaves are used for identification of plants. Leaves are used for identification of plants. So normally, yesterday we were telling that coriander leaf, curry leaves, mint leaves. How can we identify that this is coriander, this is mint, this is curry leaf? How? By seeing the leaf. No, by seeing the leaf. So leaf itself is the identification of the plant. By seeing the leaf, we can just say that this is this plant. So leaves are used for identification, in the sense like it's like their name, finding out their name, to which plant they belong. Clear, children? Yes. A simple leaf has only one surface. Example, people, mango, hibiscus. We will be having so many, but we have mentioned only 3 examples here. A simple leaf has only one surface. As we said, simple. It means a single. That is, it has only one surface. If you see here, children, you might see like we are having 3 different leaves here. Suppose this is one leaf, this part is one leaf, and this part is one leaf. But if you see, this all come under one leaf only. That is, it's a one surface only. No. So this type of leaf has only one blade. A simple leaf has only one blade. This part, it has only one blade, and it is called a simple leaf. So here if you see, a compound leaf has many leaflets. For example, neem and curry leaf. So observe the picture here. So for a single blade here, it is having so many leaves. This is a curry leaf actually. Okay, so many leaves here. A compound leaf has many small leaves that make up a whole leaf. So this total part, it comes under one leaflet only. Whereas this is also one leaflet only, but this is having a single surface. Here we are having so many leaves for a surface, for only one surface. Okay, children, clear? Yes, children. Now we'll see the structure and functions of leaf. So leaves are made to catch light and have openings to allow water and air to come and go. So leaves are made to catch light and to allow water and air. Okay, so leaves, where do they get light from? They get light from the sun. So they are going to catch the sunlight, and they have openings. Why? To allow water and air. Like water, like they'll get rainwater, or also we pour water to the plants. So whatever water they get, they are going to allow that water and the air in the form of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. They are going to allow the air to come and go, to pass. Okay. So where this process is helpful for making their food. Clear, children? So leaves are made to catch light, and they are having some openings to allow water and air. Now the second point here. The outer surface of the leaf has a waxy coating called cuticle, which protects the leaf. So outer surface, this outer surface of the leaf, it is having a waxy coating. A waxy coating, in the sense like we see, like candle wax. Okay, like a layer of coating, which we call it as a cuticle. Now this cuticle is going to protect the leaf. How? From the water loss. From the water loss. Actually leaf, we said leaves are going to absorb or the water. Like for example, cactus leaf, it absorbs the water. Now this cuticle is going to protect that plant from the water loss. Like for example, if you take a bottle, we'll fill the bottle with water and we'll cover with a knob. No, we'll cover with a knob so that that water is not going to flow outside the bottle. We don't lose the water from the bottle. Same like that here, cuticle, what does it do? It is going to protect the leaf from the water loss. Okay children, clear? And the third one here, veins carry water and nutrients within the leaf. Veins, what they do? They carry water and nutrients within the leaf. So as we said, like for our human body, the veins, what do? They circulate the blood to all the remaining parts of the body, organs of the body. Okay, same like that here, this vein, what they do, like this small lines, are you able to see children on the leaf here? These are called as veins, and these veins, they carry the water and nutrients. Okay, so that the leaf is getting the energy and is going to give the life to the plant. Understood children? Clear? Okay. Then the fourth point. Leaf has a flat and broad part called leaf blade, which has tiny holes. So leaf, see this big leaf, it is flat and it has got a broad part which is called as leaf blade. See here, it is written leaf blade. This flat and broad part of the leaf is called as leaf blade, and this leaf blade has got tiny holes, small holes on it, which we are not able to see. Those are invisible holes. Okay, and these holes are called as stomata. These holes are called as stomata. We learnt it before also. Okay children, where the gases are exchanged here. It is allowing the gases to pass through. Okay, it is taking carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen. No, which is good for our environment. Clear children? Yes. Leaves contain a substance called chlorophyll. Leaves contain a substance called chlorophyll. What does this chlorophyll do? It helps making food by photosynthesis. So we learnt it earlier that through the process of photosynthesis, the leaves are going to manufacture the food. By what? By a substance called chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is a very important substance. Why? Because it helps making food. It helps making food for the plant. Clear children? Okay. Now we'll go to the next one. Next topic here. Here what is our topic here? Our revision in the form of question and answers. Okay children? So we'll just see the first question now. Sorry, this must be at plants. I have written this is a plants. Okay. Okay. Now the first question here is about veins. Veins. What are veins? Absorb water and minerals from the soil. B option, absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Then C option, transport water, food and minerals in a leaf. D option, release oxygen and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Which one is the correct option? Any guesses children? What veins do? What veins do? Yes, the correct answer is transport water, food and minerals in a leaf. It is going to transfer the water, food and minerals in a leaf. Clear? Okay. So the next question here. In addition to sunlight, what else is required for photosynthesis? In addition, apart from sunlight, what do we need for photosynthesis? In the sense for making food. Sugar and water, A option. B is water and oxygen. C is carbon dioxide and water. D is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Yes children? So I am expecting you to write the correct option in the live chat. Okay? Yes, the correct answer is C option, that is carbon dioxide and water. Sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, three together are required for the process of making food, that is photosynthesis. Clear, children? Now the next question here. Stomata is present on, stomata, an invisible part here which is having small holes. Where is it present on? Inner side of leaves, upper side of leaves, under side of leaves, or outer side of leaves? Which is the correct answer? Yes, children? Underside of leaves. It is present on underside of leaves. Clear? Okay. Next question. The waxy layer of the leaf that covers the leaf is known as what? Is known as what? Yes, the options are guard cell, stoma, cuticle and vein. What we do call them? The waxy layer of the leaf that covers the leaf is known as. Any guesses, children? It is cuticle, which is going to protect the plant from the water loss. The leaf from the water loss. Okay, the waxy layer. Clear, children? Again, the next question. What part of the leaf does gas exchange? What part of the leaf does gas exchange? Okay, where does the gas exchange? Stomata, A option, B guard cell, C cuticle, D vein. Which one is the correct answer, children? Yes, stomata. It is stomata. Okay. So TA, stomata. Clear? Okay. Next answer. Sorry, next question here. What part of leaves open and closes the holes on the leaf? What part of a leaf opens and closes the holes on the leaf? Which one? A option stomata, B option guard cells, C option cuticle and D option vein. Which is going to open and closes the holes on the leaf? It is stomata. The correct answer is stomata. Clear, children? Are you able to follow? Yes. We'll go to the next question now. What is the substance in a leaf that collects sunlight for photosynthesis? What is the substance in a leaf that collects sunlight for photosynthesis? Answers are A. Mitochondria, chloroplast, chlorophyll and transpiration. 4 options. A option is mitochondria, B1 is chloroplast, C1 is chlorophyll and D1 is transpiration. Which is the correct answer, children? Any guesses? Yes, it is chlorophyll. This is going to collect sunlight for photosynthesis. Okay. Okay then. Next question. Here. Plants need dash as a reactant for photosynthesis. Plants need dash as a reactant for photosynthesis. A option is oxygen, B is soil, C is carbon dioxide and D is sugar. Okay. And the correct answer here is, what is your guess? A, B, C or D? Yeah, it is C. Carbon dioxide. No, plants need carbon dioxide as a reactant for photosynthesis. Okay, children. They receive carbon dioxide and they release oxygen actually. Okay, good. Then the next question. Carbon dioxide enters plant leaves through the dash. A option is stomata, B chloroplast, C xylem and D cuticle. Carbon dioxide enters plant leaves through the dash. From which do the carbon dioxide gas enters the plant leaves? Yes, children? Stomata. the correct answer is A option, stomata. Okay. Now another question for you. The last question here. The waxy cuticle layer is shown as A. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and D is 5. Actually, if you see here in the picture, there is a diagram. See in this diagram, here we are having numbers here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 5. And the waxy cuticle layer, how is it shown as in this diagram? Yes, children? How? So we'll go to the answer A, this one. The outer layer. Suppose if this is the leaf, this outer layer. This outer layer is the cuticle layer. The waxy, we said no, it's a waxy cover. That is the cuticle layer. Understood, children? Okay, clear? So just revise all these sessions. Okay, and just any important points you can just write it down so that it will become easy for you to memorize, children. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care. Goodbye. Yes, children, that's all for today. Take care and have a good day. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.